Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about the Product Listing Ad Research Report, also known as the PLA report. By using this report, you can analyze how your competitors' Google Shopping ad campaigns perform. It becomes critical for analyzing e-commerce websites.
It helps you analyze your competitors' best performing product listing ads, obtain the list of keywords that triggered these PLAs, determine PLA's positioning in the listings, and see the prices of your competitors' products.
We are still running our pizza chain, but let us assume that we've decided to diversify our business. From now on, we're going to sell our own branded pizza pans. So we need to find out how our potential competitors in this niche advertise pizza pans through PLA.
Let's go to the report and analyze Amazon.com. You will see the table with the main data for the domain's PLAs and text ads, the number of keywords for the domain's PLAs, the number of PLAs, the number of keywords that brought users to the domain via paid search traffic, and paid search traffic cost. On the right, you will see the chart with the number of positions earned and the number of PLAs advertised by the domain over time. To see historical data, you can either use the drop-down list on the top right-hand corner of the screen or click a specific date on the chart. Below is the list of the domain's PLAs. To find the PLAs we're interested in, we will apply the filter by typing pizza pan. Now, the refined list is comprised of PLAs triggered by keywords containing pizza pan. You can judge the PLA's performance by reviewing their positions in product listings, PLA's title, prices, and the landing pages, which will give you an idea of why they perform in a particular way. To see how an ad looks, hover over the ad icon in the ad column or click the icon in the search engine results page source column. Doing so will open a search results page. We've already applied a filter. You can still use additional advanced filters to refine the list by position, volume, URL, product title, price, and the date last revised to specify your research. To find new competitors and to better understand who will compete with you in the PLA search, go to the Competitors report. If we already had our own PLAs, we would type in our domain's URL, Domino's.com, to see our own competitors. Here we'll look for Amazon.com's competitors to find other ideas for our future Google Shopping campaign. Like the Paid Research Competitors report, you will see the list of companies who are competing with the query domain for the same keywords in the PLA block on the search engine results page.
So let's sum up. The PLA research report provides you with all the basic data on your competitors' Google Shopping ads campaigns and helps you analyze how they perform. Delve into your competitors' PLA strategy by exploring the report on your own.